what if the universe danced to a different rhythm, one where sound travels faster than light? A riveting thought, isn't it? Let's delve into this mind-bending proposition. The cornerstone of our current understanding of physics is the speed of light. It's an unyielding constant, a fundamental limit, clocking in at approximately 299,792 kilometers per second in a vacuum. In this universe of ours, nothing, absolutely nothing, is allowed to outpace it. This is a key tenet of Einstein's theory of relativity. But let's take a moment and imagine, what if the universe played by a different set of rules? What if sound waves, not light, were the speed demons of the cosmos? The very idea challenges the bedrock principles of physics and catapults us into a world of fascinating possibilities. The first and most immediate implication of such a universe would be on causality and perception. You see, we depend on light to observe and understand the universe. It is through the dance of photons that we perceive the world around us. But if sound were the speed king, our primary sensory input would be auditory, not visual. We would hear events before we see them, introducing a radical shift in our perception of reality. The realm of communication and technology would also experience a seismic shift. Today, we harness the speed of light, using electromagnetic waves for high-speed data transmission. But in a universe where sound has the upper hand, we might witness the rise of sonic transmission technologies, promising instant communication and potentially birthing networks that are more efficient and faster than anything we have today. And let's not forget about astronomy, the science of celestial observation. Here too, our reliance on light could be supplanted by sound if it were faster. Imagine sonic telescopes that allow us to detect cosmic events before their light even reaches us, enabling quicker responses to phenomena like supernovae or black hole mergers. In such a universe, the rules of causality and perception would be fundamentally altered. The universe would dance to a different rhythm, one of sonic speed. In a universe where sound exceeds the speed of light, our fundamental understanding of physics would undergo a seismic shift. Let's delve into this sonic speed universe and explore the profound changes that could occur. Firstly, our perception of causality would be turned on its head. Currently, light serves as our primary means of observing the universe. But in a sonic speed universe, we would hear events before we see them. The world would no longer unfold before our eyes, but rather it would resonate in our ears. This auditory dominance would completely transform our sensory experience and our understanding of the world around us. In terms of communication technologies, the shift from light to sound would revolutionize the way we transmit data. Today we rely on electromagnetic waves, such as light, for high-speed data transmission due to their tremendous speed, but if sound were faster, we might harness it for instant communication, potentially creating more efficient and faster networks. Just imagine a world where your voice travels faster than the click of a send button. Now let's gaze up at the stars. Astronomy, as we know it, heavily relies on light for observing celestial events, but in this alternate universe, we might detect stellar occurrences through what could be called sonic telescopes, even before their light reaches us. We could hear a supernova explode or a black hole merge before we see it. This could provide us with precious extra time to prepare for cosmic phenomena that might impact our planet. So, you see, the transition from a light speed to a sonic speed universe would be far from simple. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of the world around us, from the way we perceive events to how we communicate and even how we explore the cosmos. Everything would change. This shift from light speed to sonic speed would redefine our understanding of the universe and our place in it. A sonic speed universe wouldn't just change physics, it would also have profound implications for biological evolution. Imagine a world where sound, not light, is the fastest thing around. This would create a ripple effect, altering the course of evolution and changing the dynamics of life as we know it. Consider the predator-prey relationships that exist in nature. In our world, these dynamics are often influenced by visual cues. But in a sonic speed universe, sound would take precedence. Predators would be able to detect their prey from much greater distances using sound waves that travel faster than light. This would fundamentally shift the strategies used by both predator and prey. Predators might evolve to have more acute hearing, while prey species could develop sophisticated sound dampening adaptations to evade detection. It's a fascinating twist to the evolutionary arms race, where the speed of sound could be the deciding factor in survival, but it's not just about animals. Think about us humans. In a universe where sound plays such a crucial role, our languages and communication methods might evolve to be more complex and nuanced. We would need to rely much more on our auditory senses, and this could lead to fascinating developments in our cognitive and linguistic abilities. Our society might become more centered around sound, resulting in a structure that is quite different from what we are familiar with. Consider also our physical evolution. In a world dominated by sound, our eyes might not be as dominant as our ears. We might evolve to have more acute hearing and perhaps even develop new sensory organs to better detect and interpret sonic information. In short, a sonic speed universe would not just alter the laws of physics, it would reshape life itself. The creatures that inhabit such a world would be uniquely adapted to a reality where sound is the ultimate messenger, influencing everything from their physical traits to their behaviors and societal structures. In a world where sound reigns supreme, life as we know it would take a different evolutionary path. The notion of sound traveling faster than light poses intriguing questions about the nature of space-time itself. Imagine, if you will, a world where the cosmic speed limit isn't determined by photons but phonons. A universe where the speed of sound, not light, governs the fundamental laws of physics. In this sonic speed universe, our understanding of space-time, the very fabric that weaves together our reality, would need to be rethought, reworked, and redefined. The speed of light, once the inviolable limit, would be usurped by the speed of sound. This would challenge the bedrock of our current physics, Einstein's theory of relativity. Theoretical physicists would likely need to devise new models and theories to explain the behavior of particles and energy. The principles of quantum mechanics, which are intimately linked with the speed of light, might need to be re-evaluated. Quantum entanglement, the spooky action at a distance that baffled even Einstein, could take on entirely new dimensions. In a universe where sound travels faster than light, the implications wouldn't stop there. The speed of sound is influenced by the medium through which it travels, unlike light, which maintains a constant speed in a vacuum. This could introduce fascinating complexities into the fabric of space-time itself. Would there be a sonic vacuum with a maximum speed of sound? How would this affect the propagation of gravity, which in our universe is presumed to travel at the speed of light? Moreover, the faster speed of sound could affect the very nature of the universe's expansion. In our universe, the speed of light sets a cosmic horizon, the boundary beyond which we cannot see. In a sonic speed universe, could there be a sonic horizon that is even farther? These are just a few of the mind-boggling implications that a sonic speed universe might entail. As we delve deeper into this hypothetical scenario, it becomes increasingly apparent that such a universe would be profoundly different from our own. A universe where sound travels faster than light would challenge our understanding of reality and open new frontiers in theoretical physics. The concept of a sonic speed universe shakes the foundations of our understanding of reality. In this extraordinary scenario, the very essence of physics, communication, perception, and even evolution would be dramatically transformed. Imagine a world where causality is governed by sound, where we hear events before we see them, and where our technology is built on sonic transmission, offering potentially faster and more efficient networks. Picture a universe where our primary tool for exploring the cosmos is a sonic telescope, and where organisms, including humans, evolve with a primary reliance on hearing rather than sight. This hypothetical universe challenges our understanding of space-time and the limits imposed by the speed of light. It would necessitate new models to explain the behavior of particles and energy.